Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my new YouTube video. Thank you for supporting me. So in this video we are going to create a navigation menu with an hover effect. So let's get started and know how we can code this. So first of all we will create our HTML file. Now we will write our title. Now let's include our style.css file. Now I will create a navigation menu by using unordered list and list items, in which we will also include some icons as well. Now let's add our icons. So we need to go to ionicons.com. Now click on usage, and here you can see these two lines. Copy it and paste it after our body tag. Now click on icons. Now we will search icons one by one and add it. Some icons are not pasted correctly, so let's correct them. Now let's check how they are looking. So our icons are looking good. Now let's add some CSS to make it look beautiful. So first of all we will set our margin and padding to 0, and box sizing will be border box, and let's set our font family to Poppins. Now let's start styling our body element. Now we will start styling our main div of navigation. Now let's write CSS for our UL tag. Now let's check how it is looking. So our background color is looking good. Now let's remove our list style to none and just make some other changes as well. So now let's check how it is looking. It is looking good. So let's add some more CSS to make our spacing and positions correct. So let's check now. So it is looking good, but our icon and title are not aligned correctly. So let's check why it is not aligning. So let's change our class to title, so it will not conflict with the list class. So let's check now. It is still looking same. So let's remove our icon tags. Now let's check how it is looking. So let's change our line height for icon. Now it is looking perfectly fine, but our sign out icon is not looking good. So let's check. So let's change our title. Now it is looking good. So let's write some CSS to display our active tab. So now let's check how it is looking. It is looking good. Now let's add some border left radius. Let's check now. So our border is looking. Now let's add some space on the left side. So let's check now. So our space is looking good. Now let's add some hover effect to on and off our navigation menu. Let's check now. So you can see it is hovering correctly. So let's add some transition to make it happen slowly. Let's check now. So it is animating at correct interval right now. So let's add some border radius to our right side of the navigation menu. Let's check now how it is looking. So our border top right radius is looking good. Now let's add a radius to our bottom element as well. Now let's check how it is looking. So it is looking really good right now. So let's add some JavaScript to change our active class whenever we click on any other menu item. So let's check now. So it is looking good and it is working. So this is our final product. Thank you guys for supporting me so much, and it means a lot to me. Remember me in your prayers. Stay blessed, and Allah Hafiz.